Made toothpaste, a natural recipe that is simple and effective. Having a healthy set of teeth, gums, and mouth is important to your overall health. The inside of your mouth is a dark and moist environment which germs thrive on, so it is important to brush your teeth often. However, it is equally important to use a toothpaste that is free of harmful chemicals. In today's video, we will discuss the use of natural homemade toothpaste and share a recipe for it. There are many different forms of toothpaste that we can find in the drugstores. However, if you research the chemical found in these toothpastes, you would find a chemical common in pesticides, a chemical that causes diarrhea, a chemical that is harmful if swallowed, and a chemical that can disrupt your hormone. It seems counterproductive brushing your teeth to get rid of germs by doing so with chemicals that can cause significant damage to your body. Instead, make your own toothpaste with a mixture of coconut oil, baking soda, and sea salt. The salt acts as both an abrasive texture that can rid your teeth of stuck on stains and helps to kill germs. Coconut oil helps to kill off bacteria, prevents tooth decay, and removes harmful chemicals. Baking soda helps to kill germs, neutralize your mouth, eliminate bad breath, and remove stains. Simply take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Combine all ingredients for a minute. Toothpaste. Feel free to add a drop or two of peppermint essential oil, stringent to stir together very well and store in a glass jar. For best result, use this toothpaste to brush your